G'day guys, Bo Northeast Truck Wrecking with a new stock today, Isuzu FRR 500. This one is a 2002 model. It's got 6HH1 engine, so it's an FRR 33. As you can see on the front, good panels, good bumper bar. As we come around to the side, other than a broken indicator before, and the body's in pretty good nick. Inside, the interior is not too bad at all. As we come up to the dashboard, you can see it's got 418,000 kilometres. The interior panels are a bit fallen off. Seats aren't too bad. Glove boxes aren't too bad. Center console, it's got the 6-speed transmission in it. In here it runs beautiful. As we come down the side, it's got a taut liner body on it. Nice new curtains, both sides. Underneath we have the factory toolbox. Around the back, the body could do with a little bit of work on some steps. The roof needs a little bit of work. Doesn't have gates unfortunately, but it has a nice wood solid floor. On this side, as you can see, we've got the 6 stud 17.5-inch wheels. Factory 200 litre fuel tank, and again some good panel work. This is our new stock FRR 33 with a 6HH1 engine. Give us a call. Thank you.